Oh, I just realized there's a fucking soft limit on this account. Yo, what up? I just realized that there's a soft limit. What is the soft limit? I don't know what it is. Yo, what up, LA? What up, Glacier? Good morning from jail, Maria. I'm out of that. I am out. Yo, I don't like this account. I think I have 3,000 drawdown. I think I have to make $6,000. This is one of those $15 accounts that they had with some giveaway. Yeah, Glacier. I did. I took about $1,200 when it was all said and done. Yeah. Yo, I called that out on Voice. We were on Voice last night shooting the shit in the Discord. And then I posted it on Twitter also. You had plenty of time to get in. Like, it actually went against me. It went against me pretty hard. Because I got in around 770. And then you could see, this morning it was up. It was against me almost 30 points. You could have gotten the same entry I was in even at 8:45 today. And then I just caught it. You got to wait until they run. This was some deal that they ran at Christmas time, which means I haven't passed it once. Because it's $15, I feel like I don't give a shit about it. So I always do stupid stuff in it. And that's where I'm at now. Yo, there you go, Ali. It's a banger day. What was crazy was I didn't trade the open today at all. Didn't trade the open at all today. I hit this on this inversion, I think it was. Or this one. One of these I hit, either this one or this one, I forget. But yeah, I mean, I'm going to try getting some accounts over today. I'm up 840 in my funded futures funded account, which is always positive. And then, yeah. Things are going pretty well. What up, Monet? Just waiting for a good setup here. Morning. I'm almost at a bunch of payouts, and I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. Is really what I'm doing. I got to go away next week, and I literally just bought a laptop so I can actually trade when I'm away and not. What up, patient? Yeah. Just loading this up. Loading it up. Took a short. Feel like it's. Bro, Ali. Yo, you should just stop trading and have her just trade your accounts. Yeah, she deserves it. Dude, that's awesome. Yo, Ali's daughter just passed. She's 2 for 2 passing accounts. Dude, that's awesome. Awesome. Yeah, man. I would let her trade the funding. Yeah, that's freaking. Yo, I had a feeling she was going to pass it too. I just heard this. I had this feeling that she was going to pass and go 2 for 2. When you told me she passed the first one, just felt like she was going to pass the second one. What's she using? Just support and resistance, right? I think that's what you said. Keeping it simple. Dude, that's so crazy. Goes to show you, you don't need these crazy strategies like, you know, this and this and this and this. Like, you can keep it pretty simple and still make money. Everyone trying to complicate it, but super simple. No indicators at all. Goes to show you there's like 1,000 ways of trading. Everyone thinks, there's one holy grail of trading, and it's not like that. There's so many different ways to trade, and just got to stick with what works. What you like to trade, what works. I'm wondering if it rejects right here and we're just going to freaking continue down for the day. I don't like shorting into 600. That's why I'm doing it on an eval. Yo, so my goal is to pass. What up, Sean? What up, Charles? So I went for a physio this morning, got to the market. Dude, it's a wild, yeah. Trading is making me a coffee junkie, Delco. Yo, you just got to stick to the plan. Like, so what's crazy is I always talk about how I hit the morning trade all the time. I did not hit the morning trade today because I didn't like it, and I would have went 0 for 2. So sometimes what's interesting is one of my trades lost yesterday, but I made money off of it because I exited early. And today it lost also, which kind of makes for maybe I'll have a really good Wednesday, Thursday, Friday because technically just lost 2 in a row and I didn't take a loss. By the way, bro, he put a whole fist up there and then made me cough. We just took previous week low out, by the way. I'm interested. I'm interested in this. Did your guy also take pictures as well, Delgo? My guy took a ton of pictures and a little video. Is that normal? There you go, Steven. 3R. This is what I've been looking for. I wanted to take out previous week low. Dude, we popped back over 600. Yo, you going for drinks later? Dude, that's like the last time I went to the dentist. He put me to sleep. I woke up, my butt hurt. I don't know what happened. But my mouth feels good now. What's that meme? What's that meme? The guy was grabbing it and telling me to cough, and then I realized I was at the dentist. Oh, man. No, Maria. You guys are messed up. You guys are going to get me canceled. The only thing I don't like is this is the only thing I don't like is we're right up against 600. That's why I'm going to take half off at 600 if we get there. That's the one thing I don't like about this fucking trade. But I love the fact if we get over 600, I fucking love it. I'm just going to put my stop right here. See, that's why I fucking got out my funded account. I'll hang in this. We'll see what happens. I'm so glad I fucking exited my funded. That's the only worry I had was button up. But watch it. What up, Tyler? I know this was my target for the short last night. Did you hold that short, Sean? I hit for 840 in my funded futures funded account, and then I hit in my personal also. I still like this, by the way. This might have been the final little sweep. I'm just watching. Good morning, Marie. Yeah, this is much better than yesterday. I still like this, Sean. I'm not done with it by any means. I would have liked to push out of this though, at least to 622. But Marie, you caught how many LUs was that worth, Marie? How many LUs are we talking about? Morning, Neha. What up, Emil? Yo, BK, I was targeting previous week low. That was where I was at. We were talking about it on voice last night. Yo, that's about 7 LUs. Yo, that's a lot of LUs, Marie. That's a lot of LUs. Yeah. Working 7 days. You had a payout with that? You got to be close to a payout, right? Yeah, just that was the target. I hit it with my personal account. BK, I got out of that today. I got out of that like right around here at like 50. Actually, I got out early. Oh, I will. I'm going to fucking probably play this again. I'm only playing half size. The reason I'm only playing half size is we didn't really get like a fucking. I'm looking for like a V shape down and up. This doesn't, So due to that one reason, I'm playing smaller and I'm not getting in all my accounts yet. I'm just going to play here and because we might reject right here and then just fucking dump. I don't want to get caught in that. What up, Jaden? Oh, tell me I got sucked in. Come on, get to like 94 and I will go to break even. Go up to like 94 and I'll go to BE. I might go fucking to BE at 92 ish. Yeah, like I don't want to see this trade red. Oh, should I take $100? I'm probably gonna take $100. We get back up there, I'm gonna fucking move this thing. Whatever. I don't really trust this move as a quality move, but we'll see. I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. And if I get stopped out, I'm pretty much break even on all the accounts, like where I'm at for the move. Hopefully, obviously, I want to move out of this, but see what happens. Just completed the final day for your payout. Nice, Victor. Where are you getting a payout at? Boom. I was down 200. Yeah, they're buying it here. This is just an eval, so I am risking it for the biscuit. Ah, max, the old max payout. I like it. That's an ugly candle. I'm out. I just exited. I just exited. It might keep going. It could definitely keep going. I just, I would be more likely to get back in. Um, I do like that see how we're over the previous week low. I'm gonna watch right here. I'm gonna see what happens. I didn't like the 600 rejection, but if we can consolidate a little bit, I'd be more likely to take it to the upside. But this is pretty much why I exited the building. I mean, I just didn't like it that much. Going into it, it was missing one criteria that I really like is when it's more of a V. It's just more of a V than anything. And just didn't get it. Just didn't get what I wanted. Yo, what up, Newts? Dude, that's just what happens. Been there, man. I played it overnight short in my personal account, which was nice. I held for the first dump. I sold somewhere around here, I think. Personal money's always good. It was like $1,200. I didn't even look at the Sean. Boom. Yeah, Steven, I got out right before the dump. It felt once I saw it reject 600. You don't have a good feeling. You know what I'm saying? Got to protect the bag more than anything. I'd rather not miss out on some gains and protect myself from big ass drawdowns. I mean, listen, we're probably going to bounce at 23,500, I would assume. I'm willing to bet an eval. I'm willing to bet an eval that we bounce at 500. So I will go all in on this TPT eval at probably 500. Here, I'll even just put the fucking things. See what happens. Let's see what happens. I mean, listen. I don't know how much we're going to bounce, but you got to assume they're going to give you a bounce, right? Yo, hold on 1 second. You guys okay? All right, I just want to make sure. Oh, I got my kids home with me today. Did I not grab any cons? So, that didn't grab any cons. Oh, what a piece of shit. I'm fucking around with my eval 2 weeks and can't pass. Why? What keeps happening? Dude, that's crazy that I didn't fucking get that. I'm gonna stream all the way through today. I have nowhere to be. Nowhere to be. Dude, I don't even know what. There's too many fucking orders here. It's all fucking convoluted. Come on, man. Is this thing gonna fucking do it? Come on, baby. Push. See, I'm watching this. So I'm watching us come back and retest this fair value gap right here. You want this area to hold. You do not want to go below 530. That's what I'm looking at on my other screen. You want this to hold, and now you want the next minute candle to come back up through, and you want to get back over 553. So if you're wondering what I'm always looking at, I have this on my other screen, but I can't have it on this screen plus trade, because as soon as I click on this is going to go behind. But just so you guys know what I'm looking at. So I want to see us hold this. I enter on here, but now I'm in the trade on the minute. So see how we're coming back up? Man, I'm going to end up fucking blowing this account. I could feel it. I can feel this coming. If they don't pick this up, this account's going to get fucking torched. I did not take this. It's looking really good. I didn't take this in a funded account, just an FYI. It looks good. I just didn't. I don't know. My gut said not to, but it's looking really good. I really want to get these passed. I can feel the fucking coming, TJ. It's happened too many times. Happened too many times, brother. I mean, that's the setup. I play the setup. If the setup fucks me, setup fucks me, you know? See, that's not what I wanted to see. That is not what I want. Oh, fuck, man. I was even up, too. Where was I up? Dude, I was up like 8 points. I should have taken that shit. Look at it. It was almost right there to take me out. Dude, I should take this if it comes back up here. The only reason I probably am not because it's an eval, but I should probably take it. Please, please. What up, Nathan? I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Phil Collins, baby. Got to sweet talk it. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on. I'll eat those tofu meatballs for you. Come on. Come on. Give you a little foot massage, a little back massage. Come on. We'll have your annoying ass sister over for dinner tomorrow. I'll be nice to her and stuff. Come on. Let's do it. No. No sister. You come down, there's no sister coming over tomorrow. Come on. Come on. Can you bring your ugly ass friend over tomorrow? Come on. I'll even laugh at her bad jokes. Come on. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. You're going to do it. You're going to fucking do it. Nope. Not laughing at her jokes. Not laughing at those jokes if you don't come back up. Come on. God, I'm getting fucked. I already know. I already know what's going on here. This is no bueno. I'm just letting you know. It looked real good for a second. Man, once they sold off that the big candle that they sold off up here, I felt the fucking coming. If this goes, this is not what you want to see. Listen, making money's great. I'm just telling you that we got lucky if this goes. I'm not even like, oh, well, my analysis, this, like, listen, we popped this. We got lucky here. I'm not even going to lie because this looks like dog shit. This looks like it's about to make new lows. Just blew it. Yo, that might be, all seriousness, that might be like the worst fucking account ever. You got to make $6,000 and the drawdown is a trailing 3,000. So Monet, once I'll just show you. So see how we came here and then you had this candle, this candle. After that, you want to see a push out of the consolidation. The fact that we came down, when we came back up, you should have probably just gotten out. Just being honest. If I was in a funded account, I would have gotten out probably on this pump up because I didn't like how this all played out. I don't like the fact that we consolidated and then came down. And it might still go. It might have just sold me out at the bottom, but it's never closed below this gap. Like technically you got to close below 532, but yo, what up, Cube? So look at that. Dude, it just, fuck, man. It just raw dogged me. I don't know another term to use, but that's just what happened. I am fucking all in. Whatever happens, do not follow this. Do not follow this. Dude, it literally caught me at the very bottom. I mean, the whole thing is I was supposed to wait until I got a close below 532. But every time I wait for the close, it ends up going lower. What up, Adams? I just got fucking bottom ticked. Stupid. So stupid. Dude, why do I have 21 fucking text messages? What are these motherfuckers talking about all day? Dude, my brother's up $8,500 on QQQ on spy puts. Oh. I'm just taking it. Dude, I can't believe they fucking did that to me. So, you're talking about like my setup, how I do it, Monet? Technically, a close below this candle is where it's at. So a close below 530 is where you should stop out at. The fact is we didn't close, we just swept it. So technically I should have stayed in, but you know, I did not. I did not. But that's where I put my stop. I mean, honestly, like I always say, not all I care about is I want to get this one over. Because I don't have a backup. Don't do this. Do not do this. Do not do this. I'm wondering if that was the bottom for today. Don't follow this. This is just straight up. Don't ever follow, but you know, the real entry was down here where I was in 15 points ago. You know, the real entry was 15 points ago. So dudes, I just needed to come back up to 620, brother. One time. That's all I need. One time. Come on. Yo, what did you? Yeah, Q. I basically took the inversion. Yeah, I was waiting for it to come down further. But I don't know about you. I enter on the 30-second inversion all the time, and then I manage to trade on the 1 minute. I don't know if that's a thing you guys do, but So I always have split and but yeah, I took this right here is what I took. And obviously I should have held until I got a close below, but I fucking got swept out. Are you in this also? I assume you've at least looked at it. I think we're going to see at least 600 here. I'm exiting. So this blue line right here is the 50 moving average. I am letting half of it go right here. Dude, what do your stops look like, Cube? What are they like? 20, 30 point stops, I guess? Oh. You know, because I would assume with like a 5-minute inversion, you're looking at, let me just here. So we got a 5-minute inversion right here, right? What's your stop? Is your stop 525? Or is your stop at or is your stop at 551? How are you playing it? I mean, this does look good though. I will say it does not look bad on the 5. Yo, it just couldn't go 4 more points and just get me out. Unbelievable. So did you take this one or no? Yeah, yo, let me look. I'm always interested. I took a short off of the daily inversion last night in my personal account. I thought that was if you looked at the daily, I thought that was asking to be taken. I got no stop. This account's almost fucked. I'm gonna get hosed here. I've never looked at the 5-minute wall though. Just an FYI. I don't play the 5-minute. I just brought it up because Cube was talking about it. I don't ever play the 5-minute. Bro, 5-minute. I don't know if I can hold like that. I don't know if I can hold like that. Bro, I need Trump to say, me and China, we boys now. And then we just go up 100 points. What up, Donovan? I hope so, Steven. Is it looking good? No. But man, they should just freaking rip it. Doesn't look great. Was there news today? I don't think there was news. I didn't see any news. I need to get this back above. It's holding on this fucking 5-minute FVG by a fucking thread. By a thread. I will say, if this plays out, it'd be freaking awesome. Come back above previous week low. But who knows? Oh, baby. Who's watching this shit? Yo, I sold out half. Yo, I told you the whole time. Yo, that made me fucking sweat it, bro. I sweat that one. I sweat this fucking move. I'm not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. I sweat this one. I guess you just gotta play what you know. You know what I'm saying? I'm just moving my stops up a little bit just because I'm down on the account. Bro, we sweat that. I'm not even going to be like one of these furus. Yo, man, we had it the whole time. Yo, I sweat that one. Holy shit. I'll just be honest with you. That didn't look good for a little bit. I want to see us hit like up here. And then I'll hold 5 for whenever. It was definitely a great move. Sweat it out, but it was great. If I get stopped, I get stopped. Whatever happens, happens. Oh, baby. What sucks is this was my original entry. My original entry was down here, and I got stopped on this wick. I got wicked out the bottom. That was my original entry. It happens. This is what happens though. I get sucked back in, and then we're going to drop. I do not wait for a retest. Why? Do you wait for the retest all the time? I do not wait for the retest because I've missed it so many times where, like, say we got it here. I guess I usually put a break because sometimes it'll just keep fucking going on the lower time frames, like on the, especially on like the 30-second time frame, you may not get a retest. Yeah, I could see waiting for a retest on the 5 minute though. But on the lower time frame, I don't know. Maybe I should. I guess I would have gotten a better entry here. It's so. I'm with you though. Like I know that that's how a lot of people play. It definitely works well though, especially when you sweep prior lows or some type of liquidity. Yeah, I mean, I'm with you. I agree for the cleanest of clean. A retest, but now like we're getting this flag here. I kind of like this. I might play this flag push out to my original TP. I only went in half size, half of what I did prior. This is more like a scalp, to be honest with you. I'm looking for it to just push out and touch the top right here. I'm not looking for anything big. The issue maybe is you're using 30-second all the time instead of when. If I have a 4 hour, 1 hour, 15-minute all forming a swing, Cube, when you talk about swings, are you talking about like taking out prior lows or prior week lows? Like that's what you're talking about? I usually don't look at 4 hour, like taking out the prior 4 hour or the prior hour lows. Do you care if it's the prior hour low or prior 4 hour low? Oh, so you'll look for the previous. Oh, so you'll look to see if we take out like if we took out the prior 4 hour low and then inverted on the 5, you would take that. You would take that up. I am long, Brian. I'm long in an eval. Yeah, I usually don't look at the 4 hour. Like I'm not like, oh, we took out the 4 hour lows. Yo, where did my orders go? Did my orders just disappear? Where the fuck did my orders go?
Order rejected.
Dude, Dude, I just changed it. It just changed accounts on me. Bro, that was so weird. I'll start putting, you know what I'll do? What indicator do you use? Do you use Spaceman? So I just now put on previous 4 hour low, previous 4 hour high. I'm just exiting this. This isn't going how I wanted it to go. Oh, you don't use any? I will say I definitely trade evals differently than fundeds. We just hit our head on previous week low. Yeah, 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. 10 a.m. is the best. I meant to start looking at the ES. Yo, I honestly I need more screens. Like I would be out on this now to the upside personally. Once it creates a fair value gap to the downside, I'm usually out. But obviously on the 5, you could say, okay, well, we're just retesting. But this is typically in my criteria, I am out on this. You know, like that, this would be an inversion to the downside, and then I would be done with this trade. That's usually me. I'm pulling the ripcord. We're done here, and that's it. You know, or I'm out until we come down. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, I'm just checking. Just looking. If it dies, it dies. For the long at the bottom, we had a 4 hour, 1 hour, 50 minute. 539. Oh, so you waited until we retested 5. Are you still in it though, Q? Like now do you revert back to the 5 minute and just hold it? Are you now looking at the 5? Are you just saying like, hey, the 5 looks decent, I'm gonna be in? Boom, boom. So are you out now? Did you sell out already or no? Because to me it looks bad. I would be out personally. I'm not. I'm out long. I am out. I'm just hanging. Huddle. Dude, I hope it works for you. I'm out. I am out. It's too sloppy right now. It's definitely sloppy at this point. Short to 500. I'll play the 500 bounce. When you back test with FX, how long do I usually test? Probably 2 months worth of data, Charles. I probably 2 months at least. It depends on what I'm back testing. You got to remember, like, if I back test something and like I go 2 weeks in and I'm like, this is just awful, I'm done. Like, the test is done. I'm not going to keep going, But if I go 2 weeks and I'm like, yo, this looks halfway decent, I just keep going. $621 or break even. Why'd you go up there? The imbalance, or are you just looking wherever this wick is? Because that's usually how I would go. Is the tops on the left, but I usually target the bottom imbalance. I would have targeted. Honestly, I would have targeted probably here, here, and here if I was in like 3 pieces. I can't believe I got freaking bottom tick. That ruined my day. Yeah. See, like now I would be willing to jump back in, and I'm going to show you why. I do this sometimes like half size. If we're still playing on the higher time frames, so see how we basically have a small inversion on the 1, but the fact is the 5 is still never hit my fucking target of 600. I do think it hits up here. So I will get out when it looks like shit, and then I re-enter when I get what I would call my confirmation. So I basically trade within the trade. Like you're holding, I trade within the trade. So I'm out here, I rebuy. Really only save myself fucking, what I save myself? 5 points. But look at these motherfuckers. They didn't take me out. But that's kind of how I will go in and out. I can't believe they didn't just take me out of that shit. At least one. It's called NQ, Charles. It's just NQ. Just scroll down, you'll see it, NQ. Here, I'll show you on mine. I'll bring it up for you. I got you. I got you. So new session. NQ. It's under futures. It's under futures. NQ. Which is NASDAQ 100, but it's, yeah, NASDAQ 100, but NQ is right next to it. Come on, baby. Fucking hit my order. Take me out. Take me to the promised land. I don't like re-entry for me personally because then my stop is shit, or I gotta put my stop in Asia for the. See, I like going in and out. I like going in and out because it kind of keeps me, I don't want to say busy, but like, I just feel like if I still like the trade on the overall picture, I don't mind going in and out. Obviously, my stop isn't probably where it should be, but I want to see the momentum out of here to at least take me out of this. I got within 4 points and they didn't take me out. Oh, Cube, I tell people that all the time. There's thousands of ways to trade, man. Because it works for me does not mean it's going to work for you. And whatever you do may not work for me either. 1,000%. Stick to what you like, what works for you. That's how people should trade. I don't ever say, unless somebody's like, dude, like, what's your strategy? Or like, this isn't working. I try to not say this is the way. Like, hey, take my foundation and then make it whatever you want it to be. Yo, what up, Slim? What up? What up? But I would be like, honestly, I'm not out on this yet, but it's not looking fucking good. I wanted to see the momentum carry us. Oh, yo, you making jewelry now, man? What's the URL for it? I'll show you. It's right here. It's fxreplay.com. I'll bring it in right now. Yo, get the Insta going, man. You got to Insta hold the jewelry. Gee, man, I hope so, brother. I hope so. I'm sitting here. I hope it hits. I'll be slapping asses. Let's go. Yeah, I don't know. I paid for. I definitely have a paid version. Are we just gonna chop? Tradezilla? I've never used it. I've seen it, just never used it. I'm only honestly, I'm only looking for the back testing in FX replay. I thought it's a real interesting shit, back testing, so I like it, but I'm done with this. I won't re-enter now. I will not re-enter. Do not re-enter. Do not re-enter. I'm going to re-enter. Yeah, that's all I was looking for, Cube. I got a bunch of things I want to back test, different times of the day, different indicators and whatnot. I mean, for me to trade a funded account, I would say that we're going to have to go down to 500. To me, it's this shit is going to be eval only until we get out of here somewhere. The BWAP. Yo, what up, Tack? Come on, baby. Do something. Yeah, see, now I want to see us go. I want to see us retest 500. That would be the play now. Just looking. I'm maxed out on my days on my funded futures today. What up, Bible? I'm doing pretty good. All my funded accounts are up. So I really can't complain. Not every one that I traded is up. I didn't trade all of them, but any funded account I traded today is up. I'm up in all these, which is nice. I didn't trade any funded accounts to take Profit Trader. I'm marching this one up for a payout right here. I think I'm what am I, 500? What is it? 400, $450 away from a payout. I think that's what it is. I'm $450 away from a payout in Tradeify. I'm just building my accounts up. I will say that today I did not trade the open. So I figured it'd be a lesser gain day. But in my funded accounts, I did pretty well. I mean, that's 2, 4, 6, 8,000. I got 850. Not like that. 2,000 funded accounts. I'm up 2,200 in funded accounts. I made 1,200 in my personal account also today. The personal account is awesome because that's money. I already sent that money to my bank. I already pulled the money out. I sold and pulled the fucking money out. I paid myself. You didn't make it until you made it. On TPT, do you just need to be above the buffer for payout? Yes, G-Man. You can, whatever you need to do, you get over the buffer, and then that's it. And you can daily payouts. Daily payouts, baby. What up, Carl? Dude, just trying to keep it rolling here. I'm trying to look at my freaking account balances over. I'm waiting for some prop firms to have some deals here that have not had deals in a little bit. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for money in the bank is real. Yeah. Well, that's why, like, you know, I trade a personal account, but that shit isn't a payout until it hits your bank account. But I just bought myself a new trading laptop because I'm going away next week and I want to stream and I want to trade, and my other laptop sucks. So I bought a legit laptop. I bought a gaming laptop. So it'll be here tomorrow. I bet you it's going to be awesome. Oh, yeah, tax write off. But you know what it is? Every time I've been away, I don't know if you guys remember, like I was in Mexico, I was in Miami, like my laptop sucks when I stream on it. Uh, dude, I'll show you the one I bought. This is the one I bought. I'm not touching it right now. I should though. It looks like we're gonna tag low, but I'm just gonna wait it out. I mean, that's the laptop I bought. I haven't bought a new laptop since 2019, and the one I got is kind of slow and shitty. Um, it's definitely not. It's definitely not for streaming and trading. Yo, it's Ray's birthday today. Whoa! Happy birthday, Ray! Dude, happy birthday, man! Ray turned 29 today. Oh, 25. Dude, all right, I'll play this. Whatever. It looks like dog shit. I do think we're going to. I think we're going to end up targeting down here. To be honest with you. Boom, boom, boom. Ray, the never shorting. Come on, baby. But yeah, that laptop arrives tomorrow. I'll fire it up and we'll see how it goes. I'm sure I gotta like update it and shit like that. It looks cool. It has AMD processor, NVIDIA graphics. We shall see. We shall see. Come on and dump, baby. Just don't. Just don't. You want to dump. I wouldn't take this as a funded account. Just an FYI. Dude, why does Robinhood fucking... We're unable to verify your investor profile? What the fuck? So stupid. Dude. Whoa, I think I hit the wrong button. I think I hit the wrong button. Now I'm verified. Cool. Good. Dude, we're going to get chopped up. Am I just going to get chopped? I am not a fan of this price action either. I'll be completely out if I lose this. Completely out. So ridiculous. So ridiculous. Oh, it looks so good to the downside. So fucking good. By the way, Friday's the last day you can buy my funded future evals from the old accounts. Just an FYI. Yo, anybody that's on here, I'm gonna have something special for everybody tomorrow who's on my live stream. Just letting you know, you're gonna be able to save extra amount of money for some prop accounts only with code CodeTrader. Just an FYI. Just throwing it out there. Tomorrow, I should have something that you'll be able to save a lot of money with. More money than normal. A code that gives you more money than other codes. Just throwing it out there. Yeah, I just posted it in the chat. Did not come through. There it is. It's the Best Buy link. I bought it at Best Buy. Well, they said for me not to say what it is, but I'm going on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow. And whatever I have is going to work between 10 and 11 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow from 10 to 10:30, and I'll have something that my coupon code works for between 10 and 11 a.m. Bro, that's why they're bringing the big dog on. It's exactly why. Well, they have 15% off resets right now, but you will be able to save more than that tomorrow, G-Man, with coupon code CodeTrader. Dude, I just want to be able to trade my fucking my trading software without having issues and stream without having issues. That laptop should be I was gonna buy the 16 gig, and I was like, fuck it, for a couple $100 more. I got 32. Yeah, bro, I will bless them. I'll bless them with Cove juice. Nah, it's gonna be good. They're gonna run a deal. My coupon code will work for something. So my funded futures tomorrow. If you trade my funded futures, tomorrow's the day. Cove juice. Cube. Yo, is this fucking kidding me? Whatever. I'm ride or die. Good thing it didn't get me. Dude, I do have enough kids. I don't know. I don't know what it's going to be, but you shall see. But yeah, tomorrow's the day. So, like, listen, it's 12 o'clock right now. If you're going to buy a My Funded Futures account, just wait till tomorrow at 10 o'clock. That I can tell you. You know, I'm here to help you out. Don't buy a My Funded Futures. If you're going to buy one, just wait till tomorrow. Wait till tomorrow between 10 and 11 Eastern time. They're going to be a bigger discount, Waldo. It's going to be a bigger discount. Save you more money. Just trying to save you more money. Bring the other guy out. Bring them all. Bring them out. Bring them out. Bring them out. $10:30 will work. Between 10 and 11 Eastern time. Kind of sour on My Funded Futures. Yeah. Oh, baby. Push this fucking thing down. No. Give me one more leg. I need a big third leg down. No! Come on. Are you really not going to fucking grab my order right there? I'm moving my stop down. I'm only doing that because the account does not have a lot of juice in it, and I don't want it to bounce all the way up and I blow it. Why are they expensive? There's no activation fee. So you know when you pay Topstep that $150 to go funded, you pay $0 on My Funded Futures or on Take Profit Trader, by the way. They don't have an activation fee. Also, Topstep only allows you to take out 50% of your money for 30 days. My Funded Futures, if you buy the old accounts, it's 90-10 split. Yeah, Jap. Yeah, there's zero activation fee. So when you pay, yeah. My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader all have a zero activation fee. There you go. Oh, stretch. Well, you're almost at the promised land, so just get your $150 for 2 days and get paid. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to mess that up. You know? Just get you $150 and get paid. I need 5 more freaking winners for this by the end of the day so we can do ball sacks. Got to do the ball sack race. Ball sacks. Dude, I think we're going lower here. Dude, my brother. Hey, I'll show you a screenshot. This is my brother's account today. Oh, is it not going to fucking show? Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks for everybody. Dude, he's up $10,470 today on weekly on weekly SPX puts. Bro, weekly SPX puts. He bought August. Dude, forget about weeklies. He's in zero. My brother's in 0 day SPX puts. He's up $10,470. Here, you know what? This is too good. I'm going to put this up. Hold on. I'll just show it on the screen. Hold on. I'm just going to mail it to myself. Dude. Dude, that's crazy, man. Take that money. Take it. Request a payout and just take the freaking money. There you go. $10,470 P&L day. I guess he's got half open right now. I guess he sold half. Dude, that's so fucking ballsy. That's so ballsy. I mean, I played it in futures for like $1,200 in my personal, but this kid's fucking wild. Always take the money. Dude, 5K in 2 days is nice, Josh. Take the money. Always. Oh, it expires today. Yeah, he's got 5. He could have lost $10,000. He could have lost. I don't know how much money he put in. To be honest with you, I didn't go through the whole trade with him or anything. What up, Profit P? I didn't go through the whole trade with him, but Yo, what up, Corey? He's fucking texting all day. He's, you know. I mean, he's holding whatever. Yo, if he held it the whole time, he would have made 25 G's. Dude, that would have been wild. That would have been a wild day. Yo, what up, Garen? I don't know where my dude, I don't know where my thing is. Is it this? Oh yeah, it is. Come on, push it forward. There we go. There we go. Dude, if I work this account all the way back, oh man, that'd be wild. That would be wild if I worked this all the way back. I used to day trade same day or next day options for a living, high risk. Yeah, I used to do a lot of it too, stockage. I used to do weeklies. I stopped. I don't know if there's stock option prop firms, to be honest with you. Yeah, I don't really know. My funded futures, you need 5 days of $100 or more, and that's it. But just remember, once you take a payout, your account cannot go below 50,100. Just realize that. No matter what money you take out, you can't go below that. Just remember. Vanquish trader, dude, I'm just telling you, I don't know anything about any of those. You are risking it for the biscuit. You are risking it for the biscuit trading some random firms. But if it works, it works. I heard 60% of the time they pay you every time. No, my code works right now, but there's going to be extra discounts tomorrow. My code works right now. My code works everywhere at all prop firms, every day, all day. But tomorrow there's going to be extra that other people will not have extra. It might be me and just a handful of people that have extra tomorrow. I was looking to see if Bulenox still doesn't have 91% off. It might be just me. It might just be me, or I don't know. You'll see. As of I know, I might be one of the only people that have it. But that's what I was told. Who knows once it happens? You know how many times I've had it get activated and it not work. But I'm just saying, what I was told was there's going to be a bonus for my code tomorrow between 10 and 11 a.m. tomorrow. So if you want to save on my funded future accounts, use my code tomorrow. Tell your next door neighbor, tell grandma at the bingo hall and all her bingo buddies if they want to save money tomorrow. Use my code tomorrow between 10 and 11 o'clock. But it works every time. It's just they're doing some type of special 20 sub thing on their YouTube channel. So that's why it's going to be special. Oh, My Fun of the Futures is doing it's just for an hour long, Stock Itch, 1 hour. I'm sure my code works all the time, but this special thing is going to be an hour. It's going to be like a flash sale. I don't know if there's a limit. Usually they limit 3 or 5. I don't really know, but might be no limit. Yeah, you're gonna have to buy it within that hour. I don't know what it's gonna be. There, I think I know what it is, but boom, 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 boom. BK, just wait till 10 a.m. tomorrow. Damn, man, locked it in. Who'd you lock it in with? Who'd you lock it in with? Topstep and Prop Shop. There you go. Submit it. Submit the payout, man. Spoil it. Yo, Newts. So that image you made looked fucking awesome, by the way. I was just looking at it. I love it. I like it a lot. Yo, I'll tell you one thing. I was gonna stream throughout today. I got to my wife's gone for the day and I got my 2 kids home, so I gotta go make them lunch and shit like that. So I didn't plan on stopping, but she texted me and said she's not gonna be back. My in-laws are moving back to their house today and they're getting an aid. For you guys that know on the stream, I had to go to the hospital that day. So they're moving back out of my house today and we're getting them an aid and whatnot. So my kids are home with me and I have to go make them lunch. Yeah, Stock Itch, no consistency rule when funded. Yep. I don't blame you, man. I'm with you. Mac and cheese, baby. I gotta see what I have. Gotta see what I have first. I don't know what I got, but I gotta make them dinner. So I want to stream throughout, but I might come on early. I might pop on in like an hour. So let me go take care of my kids. I have to go be a dad. Dad life. Hashtag dad life. If you guys want to support the stream, use the code below. I'll probably be in the Discord, but I gotta go make my kids food and then I'll be back. So I don't want to just be off of this for like 45 minutes while I do it. So I'll see you in like in an hour or so. I'll try to come back like 1:45, 2 o'clock. All right. My bad, guys, but I gotta go do some stuff for my kids. All right. Peace.